In this tutorial, we're going to use fill surface. Let's start by creating sketch on top plane, and I'm going to use ellipse tool. Here is major axis and minor axis. Line tool for construction, and I'm going to drop line right here. Right click and select, and let's apply dimensions. This dimension going to be, let's say, 300 millimeters, and this one, let's say, 200 millimeters. Sketch fully defined. Let's exit the sketch. Isometric view. Next, here we need to figure out where to place drain pipe. I want to offset location of drain pipe from center of sink. For this, I'm going to use support plane. Insert, reference geometry, plane. Now we need to specify offset distance, flip offset, and let's say maybe 40 millimeters. Clip tab to register and OK. Now I'm going to insert sketch on plane 1 and right click, normal tool, and let's use spline tool. I'm going to draw spline somewhere here, right click, select. Now I'm going to select point and point of spline and curve and add pierce relation. Same things on this side, spline and curve and pierce relation. And let's add construction geometry from center point to this point. Right click, select. Select the line and add vertical relation. And let's apply dimensions. Let's say 200 millimeters. Click OK. Sketch fully defined, and let's exit this. I'm going to create one more sketch on right plane. Right click, insert sketch, normal tool, and once again I'm going to use spline tool. Right click, select. Select the point and control select curve, pierce relation, point and control select curve, pierce relation. And lastly here I'm going to select this point, control select curve, and also add pierce. Lowest point of the sink need to be at drain location, and we have it right here. To fix it, I'm going to dimension spline handles. Double click on spline, and here we have handle. Smart dimension. Select this line. Select the spline, and it's going to be 90 degree. And let's also make back surface of sink a little bit steeper. So I'm going to use line tool for construction, and from this point add vertical relation, right click and select. I don't need dimension link of this line since this is just construction line, but I'm going to select, control select my spline, add and tangent relation. As you see, sketch still fully defined. And let's exit the sketch. Isometric view. Let's hide the plane. Go to surface tab. I'm going to use here fillet surface tool. First I need to select patch boundary. It's going to be this sketch. And for constraint curve, I'm going to select 1 and second spline. Click OK. And here we have sink body. Now I need to add drain pipe and support stand. Select top plane, insert, reference geometry, plane, and offset distance 240 millimeters should be just fine. And let's insert sketch on plane 2. Right click, normal. Now right here I see origin point, but as you remember we did drain location position. So I'm going to right click and make sketch 2 visible, circle tool, and I'm going to snap my circle right here. And let's apply dimensions. 50 millimeters should be just fine. Let's exit the sketch. Isometric view. Extrude surfaces. Select the sketch. Under direction 1, I'm going to select up to surface options. Select my surface. Instead, regular extrude, as you see, selected contour, it's pre-selected here, which doesn't really matter in this case. And let's create one more sketch. Again, normal 2. And now I'm going to create support. Something like that. Construction line. Origin point. And this point. Right click, select. And let's apply some dimensions. It's going to be, let's say, 70 millimeters. And this one, let's say 140 millimeters. Click accept. Sketch fully defined. Let's exit the sketch. Isometric view. Let's hide the plane. Deselect everything. Extrude. Select contour. And under up to surface, I'm going to select this face and click accept. Let's hide the line. And bathroom sink project is completed.